Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Blanca and I'm here to do a Sephora haul. So I asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted to see a makeup tutorial or a Sephora haul, and I was actually surprised. I really thought you guys were going to say makeup tutorial, but 97% of you said a Sephora haul, so here we are. That's what we're going to be doing today. Recently, Sephora had a customer appreciation sale. Yeah, it came as a surprise. Usually Sephora only has 2 sales a year, so yeah, it was just a surprise. So I decided to take advantage of the sale. Since I am a Rouge member at Sephora, I got 20% off. I don't know if that's something to be proud of and be bragging about, but I'm a Rouge member. And yeah, if you guys want to see what I got, then go ahead and please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not, and don't forget to hit that like button before you leave. All right, let's do this. Sorry if my hair looks kind of messy. It's because it is. I just got off work and I was like, you know what? I'm going to film a video. I feel like filming. I'm motivated. Let's do this. I enjoy filming. I just always struggle with my lighting, so it kind of pisses me off because I just can never figure out the lighting situation. But my husband and I are going to paint this entire room white, and we are just going to set it up. He's going to help me set it up for filming, and so I'm super excited. Let me know if you guys want to see a video about that, maybe when the room is finally complete, and then you guys can see like my filming room setup. Let me know if you guys are interested in seeing something like that. Okay, let's get right into this video. Okay, so I have recently started to really take care of my skin for a couple months now. Before, I was just like, it's not really that important, whatever. And now when I look back, I'm like, wow, I can't believe I used to wash my face with Ivory bar soap. I've stopped doing that, and I have invested in some creams and like cleansers, facial masks. And one of the items that I picked up at Sephora recently is this guy, which is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Gel. Oops, that's in French. Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting Cleansing Gel. This is for enlarged pores, imperfections, uneven tone, and texture. And it just says, if you want clean toned skin for a balanced and smooth complexion, this is for you. So I have been using this for about, I would say almost 2 weeks. It hasn't been 2 weeks yet, maybe it's been 2 weeks. And I've noticed such a difference in my skin. So I have large pores. I also have a lot of scars. I have texture on my skin. I have little bumps. They're not even like pimples. They're just, I don't even know what they are. They're just bumps. So this is a cleansing gel that exfoliates, tones with the power of hydroxy acids for a deep cleanse. Great for removing dirt and makeup, even around the eyes. This soap and sulfate-free vegan formula works on all skin types to help minimize the look of pores. It's non-drying, and it just makes your skin feel so clean, so nice, so fresh. It is a little bit pricey, but I don't know. I just feel like it's worth it. I use this before I go to bed and sometimes in the morning right before doing my makeup. I just definitely recommend you guys investing in skincare. Like I said, I wasn't really much into skincare before. I was just all about the makeup. But then I realized, your makeup isn't going to look flawless or very nice on your face if you don't take care of your skin first. So that is something I have been really into. Definitely recommend this if you have large pores, if you wear makeup every day and you need deep cleaning for your pores because you get lots of gunk in there. Definitely recommend this guy. So another thing that I picked up was the Photo Finish Primer Water Set Refresh Spray. This is my second time purchasing this. I really like this. It hydrates your skin. It absorbs quickly into your skin. If your face is looking a little bit oily or it's just looking a little dull, just spray this on and it just refreshes your makeup. And it is a little bit pricey as well, but with the discount, I just thought I would pick another one up. I picked up the House of Lashes glue. This glue, you guys, is so freaking good. It's amazing. This is the second time I've purchased it. I decided to stock up because it's usually sold out online. It's just a brush on glue. I have tried so many eyelash glues And my favorite is this one and the Huda Beauty Lash Glue, but apparently it's discontinued. It's no longer available. If you are someone who has trouble putting on your false lashes because, you know, it just moves around all over your eyelids, it just won't sit right, or you just find that the corners are lifting, try this. It becomes tacky so quickly on the lashes. I wait maybe 10 seconds, 10, 15 seconds, and then I just place the lash on my eyelid and done. It doesn't move. It stays there all day. And I've never had an issue with this. If you get anything from Sephora out of all this stuff, I would definitely recommend this, especially if you wear lashes and you just have trouble putting on lashes. This will change your life. Another thing that I have repurchased many times is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Mattifying Loose Setting Powder. This smells amazing. It smells like peaches and it is not drying at all on the skin. It keeps you matte all day. There's no flashback when you take pictures with flash. You may find that you get a white cast underneath your eyes or on your forehead. That's because the powder you're using is not flash friendly. So try this if you have not. This lasts a long time. Like I still have my old one and there's still some in there and I've had it for months. It's worth the $40 because it does last a very long time. I also got the new Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This is so freaking good. I wanted to try this out because I heard such positive feedback on this concealer and I'm in love. This is my second time purchasing it. The color that I got it in is Natural Beige. This is huge, first of all, and the applicator is also huge on it. It's full coverage. It hides my dark circles. It's very hydrating. It doesn't cause my under eyes to become cakey or just dry looking. It looks really nice and it lasts all day, all night. I'm in love with it. I wanted to try the Buxom lip creams, so I decided to go for White Russian. It smells amazing and it plumps up your lips. It's just a cream lip. It's not super sticky. It's not uncomfortable or anything like that. It gives you a nice high shine and it does do that tingly on your lips and makes your lips look pouty. I guess I'll swatch this and show you guys what it looks like. It's just a nice high shine, creamy gloss. It also looks good if you put on a lip liner and then just put the gloss over top. It adds just a really nice shade, or it just mixes well with other lipsticks. If you do want to do that, it does look really nice. But yeah, it smells so good. It smells like vanilla, like a vanilla cupcake. Okay, we're almost done. I got two more things to show you guys. I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Naked. This is very pale, but the reason I wanted it was because not to wear alone. I mean, you could if you wanted to, but I tried doing that and it doesn't look that good on me, I guess just because it's so pale. But what I like to do is I'll line my lips and then I'll put on Pure Hollywood, which is this guy right here, and then I just put Naked just in the center of my lips just so that it makes my lips look a little bit poutier. That's what I'm wearing today, in case you guys are wondering. It just gives you the nicest nudie pinky kind of lip. I love Anastasia's liquid lipsticks. They aren't drying when they begin to wear off. They just wear off, kind of like fade into your lips. They don't become crumbly or cakey, or I don't know, some liquid lipsticks become crumbly and like you're biting your lips and you got pieces in your mouth. These do not do that. Even though they're $25 each, they're worth it because they last all day long and they are not uncomfortable. Okay, last but not least, I splurged on this item. I've been wanting this for a while. I always add it to my cart, remove it from my cart, add it to my cart, remove it from my cart, add it to my cart, remove it from my cart. So what I'm talking about is the Tatcha Silk Canvas Filter Finish Protective Primer. It's supposed to blur the look of pores, fine lines, and uneven texture. It primes with silk powder for long-lasting flawless makeup, protects skin from makeup and pollution, color corrects with a universal shade for healthy, soft, focused glow. Anti-aging Japanese superfoods help restore the look of youthful radiance. So I'm wearing this right now. Can you guys notice a difference in my makeup? I feel like my makeup looks very nice. My skin looks pretty flawless. I mean, it's not perfect, but I think it looks pretty damn good. And it's thanks to this and this. So this is what this looks like. I've already opened it. I've already used it, but it comes like this. And it also comes with this little disc that you use to scrape off the primer. It's beautiful packaging. It's very luxurious. And you probably can't see it because my lighting is very bright. I've noticed that it has made such a difference when I wear makeup, and my skin isn't perfect, but now that I've been taking better care of it and I have a good primer, I just feel like my makeup just looks way better. My skin looks way better, and I'm just loving the way my skin is looking. So even though this is expensive, I would definitely repurchase this. I probably don't need this, but is it worth the $60? I would say yes, definitely worth the $60. I hope my husband isn't watching this. All right, so that's it. That's all I got from Sephora recently. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. Let me know what items you got from the sale, or if there are items that you think I should try out, you think that I would love, things that are good for someone like me who has textured skin, who, you know, has acne scars. Let me know what you guys would recommend, because who knows, they may work just as good as they do on you as they, what? I guess that's the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and sorry once again that I've been gone from YouTube, but I'm back, and stay tuned for a new room look. I'm excited, I'm pumped, and that's pretty much it. I don't have anything else to say. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.